Hi, today in front of me VIVO V15 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch option on this device. So for example, now by press and hold the down volume button, we could use the flashlight. If you want to change this option, for example, to launch the camera or another application, you should open first the settings, then scroll down to shortcuts and accessibility and tap the quick action. Here we have selected like the automatic option to turn on touch. We could record audio, open camera app, open Facebook, or open the another available application on your device. For example, let's use the calendar or Chrome app. So let's just press and lock the device, press and hold double the down volume button. Now we could see that the Google Chrome option, the Google Chrome application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.